French fries, a burrito
Hey guys.
with French fries.
Today is
French fries, just French fries.
Saturday the
I don't think it's French
22nd.
fries.
We're getting something to eat right now, Alberto's,
Look at what
and
they have.
heading to get a car. So hopefully everything goes good. Take you along for the ride.
Good morning, what can I get for you?
Yes, good morning. Can I get a number 24 with extra bacon? And can I get 5 roll tacos? Can I just get cheese on it, nothing else?
Beef or chicken?
Can I get it chicken?
Okay.
And what do you want, Trinity?
I want real tacos with nothing on it.
And can I get
How many, 3 or 5?
3.
3 roll tacos with nothing on them at all? Can I get the cheese on the side and the guacamole on the side for that one? And you want them chicken or beef?
Chicken.
Can I get them chicken as well? And that will be all. Thank you. You want any drink, my love?
I do.
What do you want to drink?
I do.
You know why I say that, Trinity, so I can get your cheese.
This is the one in Stockton, right here next to Sharasoni, off of Hammer Lane and
My feet are
I-5.
so small.
They used to be Wiener Schnitzels.
Oh, didn't know that. When? How long ago?
Oh,
like
man.
25 years ago?
And that was like in the mid-90s.
My
Like
husband
30 years ago.
So you guys see me looking like a human again because I didn't look like one for a while. My shirt's a little see-through, but I don't care. And I just don't care. So, I'll show you guys our food when we get it, if I don't eat it first. So you're putting it in the way, homeboy.
Oh, I know.
So this is my burrito. Jose and Trinity are already eating with their real tacos. Jose put extra cheese. I hope he becomes lactose tolerant so he can't fucking eat cheese no more. It ain't right.
I don't know, this is my cheese.
You don't want it.
Some things just ain't right in life.
I'll
And
give you
that's
3
funny.
more.
No, I have someone in the bag over here.
I didn't want it on there because I didn't want to have to go poop.
Extra bacon. It's so good. We are in the beautiful state capital, Sacramento. Still on our way. We're going to Roseville, which is about an hour and like 10 minutes from Stockton. So, yeah, beautiful Sacramento. I'm kind of nervous and excited. How do you feel, hon?
I'm excited. Nervous.
Hopefully all goes well. Positive vibes, positive vibes. So, we'll slay you guys when we actually get there. So we just got into Roseville and I'm freaking nervous. Like, I don't know, hopefully everything goes good. I'm just naturally a nervous person that has anxiety and it is what it is. Husband's like, no big deal. So we'll show you guys the cars we look at. We kind of think more or less we know what we want, but we're gonna see for sure. Speaking of that red Altima, I really like.
Oh, yeah, I like it too.
Yeah, so there's one that we really like, but we have a few things that we're interested in.
Quarter mile, turn right onto North Sunrise
So
Avenue.
you guys will be seeing the things that we see and all that good jazz. Okay, so an update. We got a car. And I love it already. She's so beautiful. She's my car. She's a 2017 Hyundai Sonata. Lord, you can see my friend right there.
I know, I was going to tell you how so many things.
I do.
I got none.
And now we're just gonna eat some Carl's Jr. We just ordered. My makeup looks horrible. Why? But yeah, excited on our way home. We've been here since 11 What time is it right now?
Sorry, 4:57.
4:57. We gotta go home, and me and Jose are gonna go see some Christmas lights tonight, so that's exciting. Trinity's gonna go home and spend time with her family. So I'll show you guys what we ordered. I ordered lots of tenders because I'm hungry. Just got our food. Jose got that sandwich, and he got the drink from one of my boxes, and he's gonna get some fries because it actually costs less for me to order 2 of these boxes and get chicken tenders this way. Trinity got chicken tender box as well. There we go. How's that look good? You don't want it? What? Yeah, they have a thing of ketchup right there. Give me one too, I want ketchup. I ordered myself 2 boxes. Nice food. You when you get home. I'm hungry.
Careful.
I didn't want this one.
That's it. You get trying the same thing?
I'm sure asking if you want my chicken tenders already.
Just ask for one.
Get more.
So greasy, but we're going into Ulta right now. They're open late. It's like 9:58, and this is my first time gonna see the Kylie setup inside of Ulta. Pretty stoked about it, so let's go. What happened? Did you almost fall? Look like you did.
Stay one more night. Don't you know that my love is true? Let's make things right. I understand what you're going through. Stay one more night, and I know that it's not too late. Let's make things right. You just have to believe in faith.
I have a 15 off of $50 purchase, so that's why I'm here. But I don't think there's anything on. Ooh, KKW fragrances. Let's see this. Smell them. Oh, this one smells good.
What's up?
This one smells like peaches. I'm testing them on the bottle. Ooh. I don't like that one. Kind of smells like an old lady. Kind of smells like a JLo perfume that they had before. This actually smells good. Smell it. Oh, that one smells really good. Oh, I like that smell.
I just like the smell. I don't really like the smell. See what you're doing.